वेल बहुत टाइम से आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ ट्राईपॉड जो कि मल्टी यूज़ हो एंड फाइनली आई गॉट वन एंड इसकी डिलीवरी भी बहुत फास्ट थी. आई ऑर्डर्ड एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आई गॉट इट. वेल डेफिनेटली इसका प्राइस वगैरह सब कुछ सारी डिटेल्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर करने वाली हूँ. ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा ट्राईपॉड है जो कि बहुत छोटे से बैग में फ़िट हो जाता है. लेट मी ओपन एंड शो इट टू यू. हाउ कैन यू यूज़ इट? So it comes with this. You'll have to take it out and attach it to the stick. Let me show you how did I do it. It's very easy and simple to do it. You just have to fix this on the top of it and rotate it a bit like this. And it's ready. And from the neck you have to unlock it and then you can stretch it as much as you want. This is very tall, definitely a lot taller than I am. See, whoa, crazy. And now you can also open the stand. It's very easy and it's not very light जो कि हिलते ही गिर जाएगा और you have to be afraid. बहुत ही amazing तरीके से बैलेंस हो जाता है ये. And you can fit your phone here and use it, set the angle the way you want. Well, not just this. Let me show you what else you can do with this. So I'm closing it back. You can retract it. It's very smooth to do so. There is a lock on the neck of it. You can use this as a selfie stick. It's very convenient for vlogging. So you can hold it from the angle you want, and this is a button which you can use to click a picture. Just like this. Very easy peasy. Well, I found this purchase really amazing. It's very small, very easy to carry. It fits in the bag and you can see. See, the bag is also very small. So you can just easily fit and slide it into your backpack. Hope you liked the video.